Keep track of what matters with the Tile by Life360 Mate 2024, your ultimate everything tracker. Attach it to keys, water bottles, or bags to easily locate misplaced items with the free Tile app. Can't find your phone? Use your Tile to make it ring, even if it's on silent. Stay secure with the SOS feature, discreetly alerting loved ones in unsafe situations. Integrate with Life360 to view all your tiles and family members on one map. Boasting a 350-foot Bluetooth range, a 3-year battery, and IP68 water resistance, Tile is reliable for any lifestyle. A thoughtful gift for staying connected and organized. Boost productivity with the RAK Magnetic Wristband, the ultimate tool for handymen and DIY enthusiasts. Embedded with 10 powerful magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, bolts, and drill bits, keeping them within reach. Perfect for home improvement, carpentry, auto repair, and more. This versatile wristband doubles as a tool belt for your wrist. Designed for comfort, it features an adjustable strap and breathable mesh for a snug fit. Made from durable 1680 ballistic nylon, it's rugged and tear-resistant for heavy-duty tasks. A thoughtful and practical gift for dads, husbands, or DIYers, making every project smoother and hassle-free. Tackle hard-to-reach tasks effortlessly with the telescoping magnetic pickup toolset. With a powerful magnet that can lift up to 5 pounds, this tool is perfect for retrieving lost items in tight spaces, ideal for automotive work, construction, HVAC, and home projects. The telescoping handle extends up to 34.65 inches, offering a comfortable anti-slip grip for precision use. Featuring a bright LED flashlight with a 360-degree swivel neck, it illuminates and grabs tools in dark, narrow spaces. The 360-degree rotation inspection mirrors with LED lights provide crystal-clear reflections for thorough inspections. Packed in a durable, compact tool bag, it's easy to carry and organize. The ultimate tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Elevate your grilling game with the nesting grill baskets. Featuring removable wooden handles made from beechwood, they offer an excellent grip and superior heat insulation. The handles are securely threaded for stability, making them both practical and durable. The innovative nesting design ensures easy storage. Place the smaller basket inside the larger one, perfect for camping or backyard BBQs. Made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, these baskets are durable, easy to clean, and safe for your family. Whether grilling veggies, seafood, or meat, these baskets are a must-have for any BBQ enthusiast. A thoughtful gift for the grill master in your life. Experience big sound in a compact form with the DEWALT Wearable Bluetooth Speaker. Designed for portability, this pocket-sized powerhouse delivers pro-level audio for music and calls. Its updated 4x stronger clip ensures easy one-handed attachment to your gear, making it a perfect companion for workdays or outdoor adventures. Weighing under 2 ounces, it's ultra lightweight and now features a freestanding footer for added stability on tool benches or ledges. With an IP56 dust and water resistance rating and a convenient carry pouch, this speaker transitions seamlessly from job sites to outdoor excursions. A durable, versatile addition to your toolkit or travel gear. Keep your tech spotless with the all-in-one laptop keyboard cleaner cleaning kit. This versatile kit is designed for deep cleaning electronics like laptops, phones, cameras, and more. Equipped with a retractable brush, keycap puller, flocking sponge, metal pen tip, and premium microfiber cloths, it tackles every surface and crevice with ease. The updated 2024 design features a thicker polishing cloth for precise screen cleaning without scratches or streaks. Specialized tools like the lens cleaning pen and sound outlet brush keep delicate areas pristine. Compact and portable, it's the perfect companion for maintaining your devices at home, work, or on the go. Stay clean, stay productive. Upgrade your cleaning game with the compressed air duster, powered by a 210,000 RPM motor. It effortlessly removes dust from keyboards, computers, cars, and more. Featuring continuously variable speed, This cordless portable design includes an LED light for visibility in low light areas, making it perfect for any location. Equipped with an 8,000 mAh battery, it runs for up to 180 minutes on a single charge and recharges in just 2.5 hours. Durable, reusable, and eco-friendly, this duster is ideal for cleaning, car drying, snow blowing, and inflating. Experience effortless seasoning with the Gravity Electric Salt Grinder, combining functionality and style. With adjustable coarseness and powerful grinding, this grinder operates via gravity-powered one-handed use. Simply turn it on, invert, and watch as it automatically dispenses seasoning. The built-in warm LED light ensures visibility while cooking, and a side-opening storage design makes cleaning easy. Powered by just 4 batteries, it's designed for efficiency and longevity. A power switch ensures safe and controlled use. Packaged as a set of 2 grinders with a cleaning brush, the GAT grinder brings modern, minimalist elegance to any kitchen. Tackle DIY and yard projects effortlessly with the Saker Mini Chainsaw. This cordless tool features a high-quality guide chain and a powerful pure copper motor, ensuring smooth, efficient, and fast cutting. Its upgraded motor delivers longer runtime and extended tool life, making it perfect for regular use. Weighing only 1.1 kilograms, this lightweight and portable chainsaw is designed for one-handed use, ideal for everyone, including the elderly. It offers convenience and long-lasting performance. Safety is prioritized with a safety lock system, while its quick assembly allows you to start in just a minute. The Saker Mini Chainsaw. Power, portability, and reliability in one tool. Elevate your workout routine with the LOLBOX 2024 Music Boxing Machine, the perfect blend of fitness and fun. Featuring a smart touchscreen, it offers a variety of lighting effects, adjustable speed modes, and 9 optimized volume levels for an immersive music experience. The machine's Bluetooth connectivity lets you play your favorite tracks while tracking every punch with its intelligent counter. Its upgraded battery ensures long-lasting sessions without interruptions. Designed for easy installation with adjustable Velcro, it saves 90% of setup time. Suitable for all ages and spaces, this boxing machine transforms your living room, bedroom, or office into a stress-busting workout zone. Discover the Speks Geode Sphere, the ultimate magnetic fidget toy designed for endless creativity and stress relief. This 12-sided dodecahedron features rare earth magnets, allowing you to stack, snap, shake, and build mesmerizing structures. Break it apart and watch it realign like magic. Perfect for soothing fidgeting or fueling imaginative play. Ideal for adults and teens, the Geode makes an unforgettable holiday gift or desk toy, combining fun with functionality. Whether you're relieving stress or creating gravity-defying designs, this frustration-free fidget sphere is a must-have. Illuminate your workspace with the ThxToms LED flashlight gloves, the perfect third hand for working in the dark. Designed with hands-free LED lights, these gloves are ideal for camping, fishing, cycling, or DIY projects. Crafted from lightweight, elastic fabric with adjustable Velcro straps, they ensure a snug and comfortable fit. These gloves provide brighter, long-lasting light. A thoughtful gift for men, dads, or handymen, they're perfect for Christmas, Father's Day, or any occasion. Whether tackling projects at night or exploring outdoors, these gloves offer convenience and practicality in one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.